Did you know that accessing grants can reduce the costs of a PV plus BESS project by up to 40%? However, to maximize your impact on profitability, it is essential to implement effective strategies. Today I will show you how to plan your applications, optimize your return on investment, and synchronize your projects with available support programs. Let's get to it. Effective planning ensures that your project receives the necessary financial backing, reducing the initial risk. Some of the key steps to follow are: identifying relevant programs. Analyze calls for proposals such as the Recovery Plan in Spain and PRR in Portugal to select those that best align with your project. Solid documentation. Present a detailed business plan that includes technical feasibility, emission reductions, and socioeconomic benefits. Alignment with national objectives. Tailor your project to meet priorities such as decarbonization and reducing grid saturation. For example, a project in Andalusia was successful in obtaining European funding by highlighting its benefits to the grid and the local community. Subsidies not only reduce upfront costs, but also improve return on investment by reducing capex and optimizing cash flow. Some of the key points may be: reducing capex. Use grants to cover a portion of installation and battery acquisition costs. Leveraging private financing. Grants improve the risk profile of the project, making it easier to obtain loans and investments. Optimizing LCOE, levelized cost of energy. Storing energy in off-peak hours and selling it at peak prices maximizes revenue and profitability. For example, a plant in Portugal reduced its capex by 35% by combining European funds and private financing, improving its payback period. The key is to adjust the development phases of your project to the deadlines of the calls for proposals, ensuring timely access to funds. Some of the most relevant points may be: planning by phases. Divide your project into design, installation, and operation, and synchronize each stage with grant opening dates. Adaptation to regulatory changes. Stay informed about new regulations to adjust your project and benefit from additional incentives. Collaboration with specialized consultants. Work with experts in European fund management to increase your chances of successful applications. For example, a pilot project in Aragon optimized its funding by submitting proposals synchronized with the recovery plan cycles. Accessing grants is only the first step. Planning strategically, optimizing ROI, and timing your projects with the right deadlines maximizes the financial impact of incentives. Some of my recommendations are: identify programs aligned with your project. Use grants to attract investors and reduce upfront costs. Work with expert consultants to ensure a successful application. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more content and to continue learning about BESS systems.